You need help getting the back cover off of your phone in order to change the SIM, add an SD card, or check the health of your battery. Most modern phones today that allow the back to come off will have it on the bottom right, and you should be able to see that notch right there. So let's get into the easiest way how to remove the back cover off of your phone. This is a Blu branded, this is a G33, but this, for most modern phones, this is how you take the back off. Identify the notch, and then this is the absolute easiest way. Grab a membership card of any kind. So keeping in mind that the notch is here, I'm going to flip the phone over like this. Notch is right here. I'm going to hold my membership card like this in my hand because I'm going to push with force like this. I'm going to put that card right in that notch, right there, and now I'm going to push. Now make sure this hand is down far enough. If it's up here, your back cover won't flex. Have your hand way down here, hold the phone, pop. It'll pop right off. And if you need a little bit more help, that card will just slide right in there, and now you should be able to take the back cover off. Okay? And then you do whatever you need to do with your SD card, your SIM chip, or check the health of your battery. And if you've never seen a battery failing, kind of looks like this. It'll start to get puffy. The edges will start to come off. And you'll know because your phone will discharge quickly or not charge easily or not charge at all. And it'll be time to take your battery, remove your battery and change your battery. Now, when you're all the way done doing whatever you need to do, line up the windows, window here, and then press all the way around a couple of times to make sure that that is sealed and to make sure that then your side buttons will work correctly. All right, and I'm going to tell you just one way, remind you to be safe and not use a screwdriver, not use a knife, because I don't want you to slip and then hurt yourself. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.